Okay, today we're going to show you how to take apart a Roadster door panel. Don't get to see much of these. Most of the door panels are pretty much the same for the Roadster. They don't change per model. There's a lot of hidden screws. Actually, they're all hidden. What you want to do is first is this front trim piece. You have to lever this front trim piece off. There are clips in here. Pull that off. Some of the clips might come off. Just reinsert them. Like that. And then you have a bolt up here, a bolt in here, and there's two hidden bolts. Most of the time people don't realize this, but there's hidden ones in here as well. Looks like this one got changed out. This is supposed to be an 8mm, not a 10, so somebody was in here and changed that out, so I gotta get a socket for that. Okay, so what we're gonna do is take this one out. Get an extension to get to this one down here. It's in there. Don't worry about losing it in the door. You can get it out later. This comes out and twists down and out. That unhooks. The bolt's down here, which is, we can get that off if the door panel comes off. Next one, you're gonna need either a swivel or a really short socket. So what you want to do is pry on this gently. Around the back side there's a bolt. I don't know if you can see that right there. Okay. And then next is another one up in here. You can do the same thing. Pry this back a little bit. There it is right there. Okay. The rest of this panel is held on by clips. And there's our bolt that we lost. Once you get the bottom clips up, you're gonna slide this up, but there's also a clip here, so you gotta pull that out first. Slide that up. And your door panel's off. And there's a couple connectors here. There's two. One for the driver's window switch and one for the passenger window switch. They are the same plug, so watch out which one you take off. Sometimes if they still exist, they label them from the factory right here. It says drivers and passengers, but a lot of times that label comes off. I recommend notating them down if you don't know, if they don't have the tags on them. This one is for the window lock. This one is for the tweeters. And it's off. That's it.